We try in lots of different ways to live out our values here at Peace United. One of the really important ways that we try to live out our values is by being a green business, a green church, a green community.
Well, at first we were thinking, why do we need to do solar? What impact will that really have? It seemed like a dream beyond our reach. About 5 years ago, we weren't educated as a council of 12 people trying to figure out how to do this, but we educated ourselves about that, and it has contributed to a larger culture of taking more responsibility for our general footprint on the earth and in other political civic life.
What's great about a community like this, a church community, a faith community, is that people want to respond to their values, their faith values, in practical, tangible ways. As a result of those commitments to being a green community, a green congregation, is to think about each of the decisions that we make. So the products that we purchase, the way that we deal with our trash and our waste and our recycling, the way that we educate people about those processes, about how they can save energy, how they can save resources.
This fits into our values, both from a spiritual point and from an environmental point. And the application of the solar panels is one serious manifestation of how we can protect God's creation here. And we're very grateful to Allterra Solar for teaching us as we go along. We felt like we were tutored every step of the way in terms of understanding what the buyback arrangement would be with the power company, how it would be financed, when the work would be scheduled. So all through the process we were side by side in that, and they were always available to answer questions.